Bitcoin crosses $30,000 as Wall Street eyes up digital gold. Puma, Gutter Cat, Gang and LaMelo Ball team up to release NFT sneakers. Polygon launches ChatGPT AI assistant chatbot. Valkyrie joins race for spot Bitcoin ETF with SEC filing. Ripple secures Singapore major payments institutional license. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDM markets were trading higher on Thursday as investors' confidence received a boost from Bitcoin ETF applications by BlackRock and other large asset management firms despite hawkish comments from the US Fed. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IT 15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 2.3% at 39,720 points. Previously, the Federal Reserve kept the rate steady in the US in its June FOMC meeting. Pausing the 15-month rate hike cycle increased the volatility in the US Treasury, which led to increasing participation in risk-taking assets such as cryptocurrencies, the analyst said. Meanwhile, according to data from CoinGlass, more than 61.6 thousand traders have been liquidated in the past 24 hours. Interestingly, investment giants such as BlackRock, Fidelity, Invesco, and WisdomTree unveiling their plans to launch BTC spot ETF and seeking the US markets regulator Securities Exchange Commission approval has bolstered investor sentiment. Other developments include banking giant Deutsche Bank announcing Tuesday that it had applied for a digital asset custody license in Germany. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading sharply higher, rising to $1.19 trillion mark as it surged as much as 4% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes rallied about 18% to $55 billion. Meanwhile, EDX crypto exchange backed by major TradeFi players also launched recently. The exchange is backed by Fidelity Digital Assets, Charles Schwab, and Citadel Securities and will offer 4 tokens in the US, including Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Bitcoin Cash has also rallied following the news, gaining 25% on the day. TradeFi players appear not to be deterred by regulatory crackdown from the US SEC against crypto exchanges. Floki, a popular meme coin, has grown 16% in value, outpacing top meme coins DogeCoin and Shiba Inu amid a major recovery in the cryptocurrency market. Now, this considerable growth is largely credited to revived investor confidence. US stock futures were lower after the market suffered 3 consecutive days of declines as the tech-powered rally faded. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 64 points or 0.2%. S&P 500 futures were down 0.2% and Nasdaq 100 futures were 0.3% lower. Bitcoin was trading at $29,880, up 3.8%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 4%, trading at $1,887. BNB was up by 1.7% to trade at $249.6. Solana Sol was up 2% and was trading at $17. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was up by 7.3% to trade at $0.29. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13, higher 5.6%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 6.2% to trade at $0.68. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 4% at $0.066, and Shiba Inu was trading up by 10%. In an interesting news, Shiba Inu price jumped more than 13% after SHIB developers announced the creation of a new service known as Shibackles, aiming at linking real-world assets to non-fungible tokens for the purpose of proving ownership. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.49, up by 1.1%. Polkadot was up by 3.8% to trade at $4.8.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Web3 streetwear brand Gutter Cat Gang is teaming up with shoe retailer Puma and NBA player LaMelo Ball to release a non-fungible token sneaker collection. The Gutter Mellow MB.03 digital sneaker collection will open its mint on NFT marketplace OpenSea on June 29th. According to its website, the sneaker collection welcomes a new era for hoops, rap apparel and fashion and was designed by Ball as a part of MB, his fashion collaboration with Puma. Each buyer that purchases the NFT sneaker will also receive a physical counterpart they can flex in real life. The list of Web3 companies embracing AI continues to grow as blockchain scaling solution Polygon announced on Wednesday the launch of its AI assistant Polygon Copilot. Whether you're a serious builder, an enthusiast, or a curious user, Polygon Copilot is an AI-powered interface that unlocks a world of interactions simply by asking. Polygon wrote in a post, its controversial UI represents a leap in the quality of user experience. Polygon is an interoperability and scaling framework for building Ethereum-compatible blockchains. Valkyrie Funds, which already offers a Bitcoin strategy ETF and a Bitcoin miners ETF, is joining the race for the first spot Bitcoin ETF with a new filing submitted to the US Securities and Exchange Commission on Wednesday. Called the Valkyrie Bitcoin Fund, the ETF will hold Bitcoin to reflect the performance of the CME CF Bitcoin reference rate New York variant. The trust intends to list shares on the Nasdaq exchange under the ticker BRRR. The SEC has yet to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. WisdomTree, Invesco, and BlackRock have all filed for spot Bitcoin funds over the past week. Ripple has secured in-principle approval for an application for a major payments institution license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, which will allow a local subsidiary to offer regulated digital payment token products and services in the city-state. The approval will also allow the company to further scale customer use of its crypto-enabled on-demand liquidity service, the company said in a statement late Wednesday. The platform allows financial institutions to send money across borders instantly using XRP as a bridge currency. Singapore continues to be a global leader in establishing clear rules of the road to recognize the innovation and real-world utility of digital assets and its benefits to the global financial system, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said in the statement. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Moving on, let's have a look at the buzzing stocks of the day. Avalanche, Ethereum's rival and Layer 1 blockchain, has launched two new improvements that have significantly contributed to today's price hike. AVAX was trading near $12, up 4.60% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4 billion. HyperSDK and Avalanche Wrap messaging are two of these deployments. HyperSDK will enable subnet developers to create high-performance, customizable virtual machines for Know Your Customer prompts, enabling a global regulatory compliance. AWS Engine will enhance seamless communication between subnets, eliminating third-party bridges, solidifying Avalanche's independence in the Web 3.0 ecosystem. The open-source decentralized technology XRP Ledger is one of the top coins benefiting from growing demand as investors' preference shifts to altcoins. Altcoins have received increased investor attention following last week's poll. According to a research from digital asset management business CoinShares, over $1 million was added to investors' XRP positions, making it the asset management firm's top gainer. Analysts are bullish as a result of the study and expect XRP's price to rise in the next days. XRP was trading at $0.511, up 2.90% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $26 billion. The high volume of XRP inflows reflected traders' excitement about the SEC Ripple court battle. Algorithmic stablecoin of the Terra blockchain, Terra Classic's L1 team proposed creating a LUNC station wallet owned by the community and managed through governance. Amid this proposal, USTC Terra Classic's native tokens price traded at 2.12% higher and is trading at $0.01, up with a market capitalization of $122 million. The proposal introduces an L2 team to manage wallet updates, enhancing code base, diversifying client wallets, and reducing burden on TFL for testing station for LUNC upgrades. The community-owned wallet will be accessible on various platforms, including a user-friendly web version of mobile application for iOS and Android devices and a Chrome extension. To maintain independence from Terraform Labs, the L1 team proposes creating a community-controlled version of the official station wallet like the Rebel Station. DogeCoin, a cryptocurrency based on the popular Doge internet joke, has risen 5% in the last 24 hours after a big amount of DogeCoin was transferred, transporting approximately $20 million in its canine digital currency. According to a recent tweet from Doge Whale Alert, a staggering 306 million Doge were transferred between the Binance Exchange's internal wallets. DogeCoin increased by over 5% with a market capitalization of $9 billion as it followed in the footsteps of Bitcoin, the top digital currency. Analysts believe that transfers like this are common, particularly when exchanges put up new cold wallets or do other actions with the assets they store. Cryptocurrency created based on Bitcoin has drifted upwards in the past 7 days straight and is now trading near $86, up 3.43% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $6 billion. The coin has more than doubled from its lowest point in 2022. There are 3 key reasons why the price of LTC is rising. First and foremost, Litecoin is preparing for the approaching halving event on August 2nd of this year. A halving situation occurs when the total incentives paid to miners are cut in half. Second, the price of Litecoin has risen as a result of the inclusion of the coin in the offerings of a new Wall Street-backed crypto exchange, Citadel Markets, Squab, and Fidelity-backed EDX Markets, which debuted on Tuesday. Unlike other exchanges, it supports 4 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ether, and Bitcoin Cash. It also provides non-custodial services, which means it does not deal with or store Bitcoins. Third, the price of LTC is rising as a result of recent moves by BlackRock and Deutsche Bank. BlackRock stated last week that it has applied for the iShares Bitcoin Trust, the only spot Bitcoin ETF. Other firms, including WisdomTree and VanEck, have showed interest in the fund.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.